Okay, students. So the second part of doing the CTE website, again, which gives you your college credits to St. Paul College, is after you've gone in and you've selected your classes, which again are Business Com, Business Info Apps, and Business and Global Economy. With me as the teacher, I will go in and I will say that you're successful. So you'll see these when you log back in. Then you need to click on this download earned articulated college credit. Okay. Put it as a PDF and it's going to look like this. All right. This again is what you're going to print out and bring to you when you're proving your college credit. But I also need a copy of this because I need to send it to the college myself. So after you download it, again, it's going to save it as a file. Mine's saved as chrissomerville.pdf. I need you to email that to me as soon as possible. Okay? So then we send your information over to St. Paul College too to hopefully take care of all of this. But this again is what you should take to any college anywhere though to also prove that you took articulated credits with St. Paul College. Okay, let me know of any questions.